Hello, today we're going to be talking about our new Say Something anonymous reporting system. To start out, we're going to go to sandyhookpromiselearning.org. Once you enter the website, you'll need to scroll down and click the register button for educators. Once you're in there, type in your school name and then add the state abbreviation. Click search and your school should appear. Select the school you would like to register with, and then add your email address, your first name, and then set a password for the site. Once that is completed, select your role, and then create new account. Now once the account is created, you'll be redirected to your dashboard. And in here you can explore the programs that they're offering, as well as go to the program resources. We will be focusing on the distance learning aspect of this. And you can see there's a PowerPoint, there's a guide, and then there's also a at-home training guide. But we're going to be focusing on your learning activities. So what you're going to do is add a new learning activity. And then of course you will select the Say Something program. And once in there, select the distance learning for grades 6 through 12. Click the Get Started button. And once you get in here, name your activity. It can be your homeroom name, class name. And then scroll that down and you'll be able to select the grade levels for the students you will be instructing, as well as add the number of students per grade level. So if you have multiple grade levels in your class, you can select multiple ones, add the appropriate number of students. Then you create your learning activity. Now once this is created, you can either launch the activity, or if you have to log out and log back in, just go back to My Dashboard. Notice in your teacher dashboard you now have an active activity, and you will launch that activity to watch the 16-minute video with your kids together. So just click the Launch Activity. You can choose between a classroom launch or an educator preview if you would like to preview the video before you share it with your kids. You have to watch the video all the way through or you will not get the completed. And then of course once we go back to your teacher dashboard, you will see that your active learning activities are now gone and you have a completed learning activity with 9 out of 9 students completed. Thanks for watching.